Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of a leadership development course. And I'm just going to do this short video here just to kind of help. I know there might have been some confusion or misunderstanding on some of the things on this course here. I know for most of you this is the first time you've experienced an online course, and so I just want to go over a couple of things. Hopefully it'll make it a little easier for you here. So when you go into the course room, like I said, we got the first week done. And when you go in here, you got your basic information on what we're going to cover each week. So like when you go, okay, so like last week, we had a couple of videos, your readings, a discussion forum, a quiz. You're supposed get together with your team, your group, your team, to kind of get started on your team project. So now we're going to go into week 2 here. And one of the things, again, required you got the article, you got a video to watch on the discussion. Um, and I'm going to go in here because there's some confusion. What you're supposed to do um, is one of you, and it looks like when I did this video, one of you already started it, so that's good, um, for your group. And there's 4 groups, so whatever your group is. But one of you actually just copy and paste this up here, and you go in and then you start a thread. You add a, let me go back here. Yeah. So when you're looking at this, you're going to go, so copy and paste, and you're going to add a new topic, and then that'll bring up what Nathan did here. So and so what you're supposed to do is actually copy the thread in there, all right, to make it a new one. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you again how to do this. So watch John, you copy it, add a new topic. You're gonna paste it right there, and you'll have to use Control V probably, depending on what it is, and then you just do a short subject there. So what I usually do is just copy, like watch the Jack Welch video, and we'll copy that again and put that there in the subject. So and then paste it back in, and then what you can do is scroll down to the bottom and post it, and then hit continue. Okay, now see what I just did. I just posted that. All right. So now you're going to go in and click on that again, and it's posted there. So now what you want to do is go over here and do reply. Even the person who's posting it, you're going to reply to that post. So you're going to click right there, and then you're going to type your post in. Now some of you, depending how you want to do it, you can type in a Word document first and then paste it in here, however you want to do it. But you can just, however you want to do it, you type what you're going to type, and then you're going to go scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to post it. And you continue. Alright, so see what we have here. We have the original post, and then we have a reply to that post. So what you want to do now, if you're student number 2, 3, or 4, you can come in here. You're also going to do a reply to that post. Alright, and again, you're going to go in there and you're going to type, whatever you're going to type, and then scroll down and post it. Alright, and then what you're going to see here is, see, now we got this original post, and then there's 2 replies to that post from 2 different students. Alright, and then if you're going to reply to one of your classmates, then that's where you go into this one here, and you go over there and you're going to reply to that one. And again, we'll do this different letter here this time, okay? And like that. Alright, so see what we got. Got the original post, then we got a student replying to that post, then we got a different student replying to that student. So that's where we get into this, initial post and then 2 replies to your classmates. So I hope that helps clear it up a little bit. Yeah, so that should, hopefully that'll clear it up. The other thing on the grading of the discussions, like right, you go in here, you got grading rubrics. Right here, you open that up, and it'll open up these top, and this way you can see what the grading criteria is. So when you click on the one for the discussions, you'll come up with this, and it'll tell you how many points you get based on what you did in the discussions. So you just can look at that and get an idea of how the grading is set up and what the rubrics is. And I will say it's very difficult for someone to get a maximum score on, like discussions thing, because, what we have is this rubric here, which pretty much gives you an outline of what you're looking for. So, and same thing for, other subjects, like the written assignments, and the team assignments. You got rubrics for those too. So when you get time, look at those, and I'll give you kind of a guideline on, how we're doing, how we're looking at the grading. Again, if you got a general question for everybody, you can put it in the instructor's office. A few of you have already emailed me, and that works out because those were, pertaining to you individually, so that works. So either way, but I think with that, I'll cut this here. But if you got any questions, let me know. Like I say, first week is down, so let's keep on. I know you're all getting adjusted, but let's keep going, and that'll do it. So, all right, so I'm going to cut this off, and if you got any questions, let me know. Email is probably the best way to get in touch, and I usually respond pretty quick. So that'll do it. Take care, everybody. Have a great week.